In this video, I'm going to show you how to find white fox on Hacoo. So the first thing you want to do is go to the very top and type in white fox into the search box. So there we go, white fox, press search, and if it says, like it does for me, no search results found, it may be because one of the three reasons I'm going to tell you right now. The first one is because white fox may simply be out of stock and not available right now, because these things are usually very limited on Hacoo and they sell out quite quickly. So if that's the case, unfortunately the only way to fix this is by checking the app constantly if it updates and if the things get back in stock. For example, you can check a few times a day, or maybe every day, every few days, etc., and hopefully you'll get lucky and find it. The second thing you can try doing is going back out of here, there we go, and then bottom right where there's your profile, and you want to make sure you're logged in. If you're not logged in, many people have said you won't be able to find any brands on Hacoo. So once you're logged in, go top right, click on those three dots, and then, those dots, those three lines, as you can see. And then what you want to do is change your region to something different from whatever you are right now. So I'm right now in the United States. You want to tap on something different and change your region, because that may help as well in case those items are available at a different place. If that didn't work either, and if you still can't find them, you can try changing the language to Espanol, so to Spanish, which actually some people suggested that it works, and you can see more brands on there if you do so. So just press on Espanol over here. It's easy to navigate even if you don't speak the language, and you can try searching up if you can now find white fox on Hacoo. If you still can't find it after doing all this, it unfortunately means that currently it's not in stock and you will have to wait and essentially get lucky to be able to see it. You can also follow some influencers online who will usually post some links to those things, and then you'll be able to click on the link and you'll be able to see different brands on Hacoo. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.